We are continuing again with our solution solving of questions from JAMB in chemistry. Chemistry is one of the core science subjects, right? So there is no going back, there is no way you can jump it so long as chemistry is part of your JAMB subjects. So I want you to pay attention. I want you to focus on this. The solutions I will be giving you. Recall that chemistry question has two parts. We have the part that is basically calculation based. We have also more questions that are theory, right? They ask this question to test your understanding of the topics in chemistry. Okay, so in this particular video we are not looking at the calculation side. We will still do videos on the calculation area, but we will be picking questions that you don't need calculator for. You just need basic understanding of chemistry. Do you get me? In fact, in this particular one we are looking at, there are about 40 questions that JAMB asked this year, and over 22 of them, more than half, doesn't need calculator. You must have noticed it while doing your chemistry practice at home. So I want you to give me your attention, focus, let nothing distract you. Number one, the periodic classification of the elements in an arrangement of the element. The periodic classification of the element is an arrangement of the element in order of their dash. The periodic classification of the elements, you know the first 20 elements, is an arrangement of the elements in order of their dash. A, atomic weight. B, isotopic weight. C, molecular weight. D, atomic number. What is the answer? The answer is atomic number. In the periodic table, elements are arranged according to their atomic number. Okay, did you get that one? Should I write on? If you are following, you want me to make more videos, you tell me to write on and I will write on. Okay, let's look at question number 5. Okay, this says the basic postulate of the kinetic theory of gases. The basic postulate of the kinetic theory of gases is that the molecules of a gas moves in straight line between collisions. The basic postulate of the kinetic theory of gases is that the molecules of a gas moves in straight lines between collisions. This implies that collisions are perfectly elastic. Forces of repulsion exist. Forces of repulsion and attraction are in equilibrium. Collisions are inelastic. The answer is B. Forces of repulsion exist. As they move, they are repelled. They keep moving around. Question number 6. Are you following? Are you following? One of the following is the solubility of a gaseous substance dependent. One of the following is the solubility of a gaseous substance dependent. I want you to pay attention. Whenever you are given a question, just don't rush into answer. You have 40 seconds to answer each question, but you need to also pay attention. Remember, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, you will qualify to receive my free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question on use of English, on chemistry, and the other subjects you'll be writing. I'll give them to you free. That is if you watch this video from beginning to the end. Which of the following is the solubility of a gaseous substance dependent? A, nature of the solvent. B, nature of solutes. I, temperature. D, that is IV, pressure. Is it I, and IV? Okay, we are looking at question number 6. Is it I and I? Is it I, or is it I and IV? The answer is D. I and IV. The solubility of a gaseous substance does not depend on temperature. It depends on nature of solvent, nature of solute, and pressure. Have you learned this one? Let's look at question number 7. Which of the following statement is correct about the periodic table. If you look at the other videos we did, you will know that periodic table is always coming out. JAMB likes certain questions on periodic table. That is why if I were you, go over and read up your periodic table. It is very, very important, right? This video you are watching is only part 3. We have done several other parts. If you want me to give you all access to all the videos we've done on chemistry, including past questions, including areas of concentration, including 15 topics that JAMB will pick questions from this year, just ask me to give you the videos, the link to the videos we have done on chemistry, and I'll give them to you free. You have to indicate that it's chemistry. We have also done on biology, we have done on leaky headmaster, we have done on use of English, we have done on mathematics, on other subjects. Any subject you want, if you watch this video from now to the end, indicate the subject and tell me to give you the links to the works we have done on them. Okay? Which of the following statement is correct about the periodic table? A, elements in the same period have the same number of valence electrons. B, the valence electrons of the elements in the same period increase progressively across the period. Okay? Are you still with me? Okay, C, elements in the same group have the same number of electron shells. Elements in the same group have the same number of electron shells. Okay? Then D, the non-metallic properties of the elements tend to decrease across each period. The answer is D. The answer is D. I want you to watch this video slowly. When you must have watched this particular video for the first time, come back and watch it again. Do not rush. Number 8, the period of fat and aqueous caustic soda. The boiling of fat and aqueous caustic soda is referred to as dash. A, hydrolysis. B, esterification. C, acidification. D, saponification. The boiling of gas and aqueous caustic soda is called saponification. That is the answer. The answer is D. Now, I've taught you in this channel that whenever you encounter any word, whenever I am teaching you and I mention any concept, whether in chemistry, use of English, leaky headmaster, or any subject, don't jump and pass. Don't keep rushing to the other questions. Slow down, go and find the meaning. So the first assignment I'm giving is on this number 8. Go and find the meanings for me. Find the meaning of hydrolysis, write it for me. The meaning of esterification, write it for me. The meaning of acidification, write it for me. And the meaning of saponification, write it for me. Don't jump. I am preparing you to score 300 and above in your JAMB. Do you claim it? Do you claim that you will get admission this year? Do you claim that you will be among the few that will score 300 and above? If you claim it, type "I claim it" in the comment section. Then submit the answer to these questions for me. Okay, let's look at question number 9. Which of the following pairs of substances will react further with oxygen to form a higher oxide? Which of the following pairs of substances will react further with oxygen to form a higher oxide? CO2 and H2O. B, NO, that is nitrogen oxide, and H2O. C, CO and CO2. Then the SO2 and NO. The answer is, we are looking at question number 9. The answer is what? The answer is D, SO2, sodium oxide and nitrogen oxide, sodium dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. I think sodium or so. The answer is D. I hope you are following. Okay, let's look at number 11. This one is a bit big, but let's look at it. Number 11. Methanoic acid mixes with water in all proportions. I want you to pay attention. Methanoic acid mixes with water in all proportions and has about the same boiling point as water. Which of the following method would you adopt to obtain pure water from a mixture of sand, water, and methanoic acid? This one, you should study about it in the topic separation techniques. Let me take the question again. Methanoic acid mixes with water in all proportions and has about the same boiling point as water. Which of the same method would you adopt to obtain pure water from a mixture of sand, water, and methanoic acid? A. Fractional distillation. Okay. Fractional distillation. B. Filtration followed by distillation. C. Neutralization with sodium hydroxide followed by distillation. D. Neutralization with sodium hydroxide followed by filtration. The answer is fractional distillation, the same method used in getting petroleum, right? Okay, let's look at question number 13. Let's look at question number 13. Are you following? Suitable reagents for the laboratory preparation of nitrogen are suitable reagents for the laboratory preparation of nitrogen. That is, if you are to prepare nitrogen in a lab, the suitable reagents are sodium diazonitrate 3 and ammonium chloride. B. Sodium triazonitrate 5 and ammonium chloride. C. Sodium chloride and ammonium triazonitrate 5. D. Sodium chloride and ammonium diazonitrate. The answer is A. Sodium diazonitrate 3 and ammonium chloride. Okay, let's look at question number 14. Question number 14. Are you seeing it on the screen? The number of electrons in the valence shell of an element of atomic number 14. Tell me the name of this element that has atomic number of 14. Tell me in the comment as a second assignment. Don't forget, don't jump and pass this one. Very important. Tell me the element. Even when you are reading the first 20 elements, the 14th one, tell me in the comment. The number of electrons in the valence shell of an element of atomic number 14 is dash. A 1, B 2, C 3, and D 4. The answer is 4. The answer is what? 4. Let's look at question number 15. What volume of oxygen will remain after reacting? What volume of oxygen will remain after reacting 8 cm of hydrogen gas with 20 cm of oxygen gas? 10 cm cube, 12 cm cube, 14 cm cube, 16 cm cube. The answer is D. Sorry, we are not able to solve. I will still do videos where we will solve the calculation questions. Okay, let's continue our review of the theoretical questions in chemistry for JAMB. The radioisotope used in industrial radiography. In your chemistry textbook, you should see this topic: radiography, nuclear chemistry. The radioisotope used in industrial radiography for the rapid checking of faults in weld and casting is dash. The radioisotope used in industrial radiography for the rapid checking of faults in weld, that is welding and casting, is A. Carbon 14. B. Phosphorus 2332. C. Cobalt. D. Iodine 131. The answer is C. Cobalt. Let's look at question 22. Question 22. Beryllium and aluminium have similar properties because they're dash. Beryllium and aluminium have similar properties because they're dash. A. Are both metals. B. Belong to the same group. C. Belong to the same period. D. Are positioned diagonally to each other. The answer is beryllium and aluminium have similar properties because they're A. Are both metals. B. Belong to the same group. C. Belong to the same period. D. Are positioned diagonally to each other. The answer is A. They are both metals. Okay, now let's move ahead. Let's look at this question 26. The refreshing and characteristic taste of soda water and other soft drinks is as a result of the presence in them of dash. The refreshing and characteristic taste of soda water and other soft drinks is a result of what in them? A. Carbon 4 oxide. B. Carbon 2 oxide. C. Soda. D. Glucose. The answer is carbon 4 oxide. Carbon 4 oxide. I hope you are following, right? Let's look at question 27. Which of the following is a mixture? Which of the following is a mixture? A. Petroleum. B. Rubber latex. C. Vulcanizer solution. D. Carbon 2 sulfide. I won't answer this question. I won't answer this question 27. Tell me in the comment section. Tell me the answer. Which of the following are mixtures? A. Petroleum. B. Rubber latex. C. Vulcanizer solution. D. Carbon 2 sulfide. I want to know the person that will answer all the assignments I gave in this particular video. I want to know the particular candidate, serious candidate, that they will answer all the questions we gave in this particular video. So answer for me question 27. In the next video, we are going to continue with what? Remember that question 27. Which of the following are mixtures? I. Petroleum. B. Rubber latex. I. Vulcanizer solution. IV. Carbon 2 oxide. A. Option A is I. Option B is I, and IV. Option C is I and II. Option D is I and IV. I want you to slowly watch this video so that you can pinpoint this question and answer. Right? Now we go to question 28. A balanced chemical equation obeys the law of dash. We will continue with question 28. We will continue with question 28 in our next video. This video you are watching is part 3. In part 4 of our series on chemistry Expo questions, we will continue from question 28. To get the free materials I promise, syllabus, JAMB past question, and other help you might need, do 4 things. 4 things, all of them are important. Join our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join. Click on join and join. Then like this video, share this, click on like, click on share this video on your Facebook, on WhatsApp groups, on here on YouTube, on X, and other platforms. You can also share it on all the Telegram channels you belong to. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Click on subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Come under this video and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will send you all the materials I've promised you. I will know you are serious and I will send those materials to you. The next video we will be looking at, there is a video I'm leaving for you in the screen. Click on it and watch now.